Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC29. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson DC29 is losing suction and making a strange noise, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a malfunctioning motor or blockages in the airflow system. If left unchecked, it can lead to more severe damage and costly repairs down the line. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement motor specifically for the Dyson DC29, and possibly some compressed air to clear any blockages. Now, let's walk through the repair process step by step. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged for safety. Start by removing the bin and filter, this will give you better access to the motor. Next, using a screwdriver, carefully unscrew the cover that protects the motor. Be gentle, as the screws can be delicate and easily stripped if too much force is applied. Once the screws are out, you can lift the cover off to expose the motor. Identify the motor by its distinctive shape and wiring. To remove it, disconnect the wires carefully. It's advisable to take a picture of the wiring setup first, so you can refer back to it when installing the new motor. Gently pull the motor out, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new motor and fit it in the same position as the old one. Reconnect the wires according to the photo you took earlier to ensure everything is in the right place. Once secured, replace the cover and screw it back in place, making sure it's snug but not overly tight to avoid damaging the threads. After everything is reassembled, plug in your Dyson DC29 and give it a test run. Listen for any unusual noises and check for proper suction. If everything operates smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your vacuum. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check for blockages in the filter and hoses, and replace the motor when you notice a decline in performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.